So today we're going to be getting into this everyday wig tutorial, okay? If you want your wig slayed and laid, keep watching because this is it, okay? It's simple and easy. So first we're going to get our everyday wig. We just going to brush and comb through that nappy ass shit because you know if you wear every day, it is nappy. Simple, okay? So we're just going to go in with a little got to be spray. You don't need too much. You just probably need 2 good layers of got to be. Rub it in, blow dry, rub it in, blow dry, and then keep a thin layer at the top. Okay, so make sure when you put your wig on there, it's still a little bit wet, but we still gonna apply just a little bit more to finally hold this wig, you guys. So this all you need is got to be. You don't need to be using no bow hold. You don't need to be using none of that tub glue because if you wear this wig every day or every other day, you're gonna need something simple and light on your hairline because you don't want your hairline to be looking gone. Okay, you don't want your hairline on a pillow in the morning. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lay it down. And then we're going to take our band to secure the lace, okay? Period. That's it. Period. So once it's on there, so guys, once you got the wig on, I'm just doing my security test. Make sure my wig don't go nowhere because you know my man like to pull hair. You know he like to pull the wig, but when he pull it, it comes off. Okay, it comes off because we don't use glue. We use got to be. So if your man like to pull your hair, this is not the tutorial for you. I might should have said it in the beginning. But that's not it, okay? Curls, my go-to curls, like curls are for the girls. Yes, these are the curls. So this is the finished look, you guys. If you like it, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And also if you guys need a tutorial on the curls, let me